Maryland, United States, 1955 to 1975. For 20 years, thousands of U.S. soldiers were used in classified military experiments, and many were never told the truth. You're 19 years old. You just enlisted in the U.S. Army. One day, your commanding officer calls you into a room. He says they need volunteers for a medical experiment. Test some new equipment. Help your country. Harmless. You'll get extra pay, maybe even early leave. So you sign the paper, and they take you to Edgewood Arsenal in Maryland. What they don't tell you? You're about to be exposed to VX nerve gas, sarin, mustard gas, LSD, PCP, BZ, a drug so powerful it causes 3-day psychotic breaks. For 20 years, from 1955 to 1975, the U.S. Army ran chemical and biological weapons tests on 7,000 American soldiers. They locked them in gas chambers. They put drugs in their food. They sprayed them with agents that could kill in seconds. Some soldiers were told what they were being exposed to. Most weren't. They signed consent forms, but the forms didn't mention nerve agents. Didn't mention permanent damage. Didn't mention death. The goal? Test weapons. See what happens to the human body. Figure out how to protect soldiers in chemical warfare. But the soldiers they tested on, they became the casualties. Some developed seizures, cancer, psychological disorders, paranoia so severe they couldn't function. Many died young. No explanation, no benefits, no recognition. Their families asked questions. The Army said, "We don't have records." But then in the 1990s, after lawsuits and investigations, some records surfaced. Turns out the Army knew exactly what they did. They just classified it. And when pressure mounted, they lost most of the documentation. To this day, thousands of veterans don't know what they were exposed to. Can't prove it. Can't get medical care. Can't get compensation. In 2008, Congress forced the Army to identify and notify the victims. They found some, not all. And they offered an apology. No money, no health care. Just sorry. These men served their country, and their country used them as lab rats. The system buries these stories for a reason. If you want to learn how to dig them up and turn research into income, link in bio.